Hello friends, DataOps is one of the most important component in this digital world today. Especially it comes from DevOps, which helps business to get the insights of the data very quickly and reliable and trustworthy manner. Overall, data engineering projects, as we all know, is basically data extraction from different source systems, then transformations and loading for the target systems or in the data warehouse so that business can get the insight out of that data. So this ETL flow is to be seamless integrations has to happen in order to get the insights of the data quickly and reliable manner. So DataOps will play a very significant role in this process. If you consider the 10 years back, basically when DataOps or DevOps was not there, whole organization initiatives to get the insights of the data was extremely tedious process and time consuming, because data was in different source systems and getting the data from different source system and get the insight was one of the most challenging and time consuming. Today, using the DataOps, which is essentially building the pipelines from different tools to extract the data from different source systems quickly, integrate it, and give the insights to the business. That is how the DataOps will play very important role to build overall pipelines, orchestrating it, monitoring it, and make sure that the data pipeline seamlessly flow and able to give some insight out of data. So this is one area where overall agility of the business will come into pictures. So therefore, DataOps, which is again, as I said, it derived from DevOps, which is again combination of people, process, and technology. People is business, process is the agile process, and technology is different tools that we use to build this overall data pipelines. So today in the Azure world or cloud worlds, we primarily, in case of Azure, you use Azure Data Factory for building the pipelines, or you use Databricks clusters in Azure environment to build the overall ETL and schedule it and orchestrated it. In case of AWS, we use AWS EMR for big data processing and scheduling it. And similarly, in Google Cloud, we use Google Deck Composers, Google Dataflow for primarily building pipeline and making sure that data engineering activity are seamless and secure enough. And of course, highly scalable enough as well. So overall, data engineering is very important for building the data pipelines and making sure the business gets the insights of the data in quickly and efficiently and reliable and scalable manner. So data engineering pipelines, building overall security around the data engineering projects, making sure that the processes are in place for smoothly continuous collaborations and continuous deployments. So all in all, data engineering, pipeline building the process around to collaborate, building the process around to secure your code, making sure that the data coming from different source systems are seamlessly integrated, and building the data warehouse so that business can get the insight out of data whenever and wherever they require. So DataOps play very significant for our data engineering project today. If you learn these technologies that I talked about, in case of Azure, it is Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks. In case of AWS, of course, it is an AWS EMR, AWS Glue. Similarly, in Google Cloud is Google Deck Composers. These are the high-level tools, and fundamentally the Apache Airflow are being widely used in data engineering project, DataOps. So if you use these tools that I have talked about, sooner or later you become a DataOps guy, and most of the organizations are today looking for the DataOps people, which is very rarely found. If you can learn these skills, sooner or later you become a good data engineers along with DataOps skills. So it is not, this Nirpachitra, see in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye-bye.